So if you guys follow the channel, you know we have recently talked about new Wi-Fi standards in Wi-Fi, being Wi-Fi 7, and if you're looking to future-proof your home or offices, Wi-Fi 7 is the way to go. Even though it is somewhat limited as far as what devices can connect to it, phones, laptops are now more readily available with that new standard. We have personally been using the new EERO Max 7 for a while and love it. It is probably one of the most stable routers we've been using for a while. We actually use this since they're backwards compatible with some of the EERO 6Es. But just today, EEROS has finally announced, let me grab this, the new Pro 7s. These are much more reasonable. They're still tri-band. There is a 7, not a 7 Pro as well if you want to save even more money. But we have been using this for a couple of weeks now, and the new Pro 7 mesh network is amazing. So, obviously, EEROS was purchased by Amazon, and they have done great work with the app and the mesh networks that they offer for a while now. And again, just like that Max 7, the 7 and 7 Pro are backwards compatible. This new 2-pack of EEROS Pro 7s are only $300 or $500 depending on how many nodes you want, and this might be the way to go. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this new setup. If you're not aware as well, the way that these disperse their signal, these need to stand taller instead of flat like Wi-Fi 6 and 6Es and the other network standards before that. So these are going to be a lot taller than what you probably had prior. However, the way these have been working for us have been remarkably good. And at that price point for about $300 for a single node or a 2-pack for like $500, if you're looking to get on the Wi-Fi 7 train, this could be your best option. The Pros do have a tri-band network with the duals on a regular 7. However, depending on what you need, they're all available. We'll throw those links up down below. If you're looking at picking them up, please use those affiliate links. It greatly helps out the channel. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at this system. So like we said in that introduction, this is a tri-band 2x2x2 Wi-Fi 7 router. It does support internet plans up to 5 gigabits per second, and you do get 2 5 gigabit Ethernet ports as well. And one of these routers will cover up to 2,000 square feet and support up to 200 plus devices. The design language and packaging is pretty standard for what EERO has been doing for a while now, so nothing should be a surprise here. As you can see on the feature set, you do have the 2.4, 5, and 6 gigahertz networks, support for IPv4, IPv6, and the lot of all of that, as well as WAP3 and WAP2 wireless encryption and automatic channel selection. You do get those 2 auto-sensing 5 gig Ethernet ports like we said, and then smart home connectivity with Thread, Zigbee, Matter, Bluetooth LE 5.0, and obviously it does work with Alexa and Amazon connected home devices. And like we were kind of alluding to and talked about earlier, this is a taller device. It stands at a little over 7 inches tall and 5.77 inches wide. And you will need the app to take advantage of this for setup. You can see on the back it is advertising that it's ideal for internet plans with 5 gigabits down. You have backwards compatibility with previous generations of EEROs, like we said. Setup did for us take literally 2 minutes. There was a software update that did delay that a little bit, but the actual setup of the node itself was less than 2 minutes long. Powered by TrueMesh, and then you have an optional subscription for EERO Plus. We don't subscribe to it personally, however, it is a great additional layer if that's something you're interested in. You have Wi-Fi that grows with you is a little slogan. And again, like I said, if you don't need Wi-Fi 7, you can use one of these nodes with a 6 or 6E or any of those backwards compatible models. Beyond that, opening it up is easy. Just going to flip the top up. And as you can see, here is the new device. It is not too thick or too tall as opposed to the Max 7 if you're familiar with what that looks like. But again, clean, simple, easy look. You have a single LED on top letting you know the status. And then on the back, obviously, you do have your 1 and 2 5 gigabit Ethernet ports as well. You have your USB-C charger and a reset port as well right there. All else that comes in the box is going to be your power cable. It's again a pretty similar one to what has been coming in previous generations, and an Ethernet cable that we don't have in box currently to show you, but it is literally that simple. I really do like the look of this. It's very clean and elegant. You can tuck it back. It is not crazy large, again, 7 inches tall, but this is a nice piece to put around the house that's not going to draw too much attention if you don't want it. But yeah, we've been having great consistent speeds with this. We really do like it. We've been using the 6Es prior to these coming out, and then the Max 7 after that. This has been a great addition to our home networking. It has been very consistent with speeds, not any dropped dead zones. The way the app helps everything mesh the network together, it's definitely really, really good and something we recommend you looking at. Let us know down in the comments below. Are you a fan? Are you going to be picking up one of these mesh networks? We're very curious to see. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.